Looking for the best product to sell on Amazon or online? Paints are the most demanding product on Amazon and online. The paints business has seen substantial growth in recent years, largely due to increased interest in home improvement and DIY projects, a rise in infrastructure and construction activities, advancements in paint technology, and effective marketing strategies emphasizing paint's aesthetic and protective benefits. Based on historical data, the term paints is expected to witness heightened interest in Indian regions such as Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Goa, and Kerala, particularly during the weeks of May through July. Globally, paint garners notable interest primarily in countries like Nicaragua, Honduras, and Cuba, typically peaking in the months of December and April. However, these predictions are not definitive and can be influenced by various factors, including unforeseen events. For more product market trends, subscribe to Buymarg, and for more information visit buymarg.com.